Salute.
Wish me my day, my brother.
Salute,
Thank you for the best day ever. Best day ever.
Enjoy your day too, man.
That is the demon. The demon of all demons. You don't know that demon. What the old boy? Sniper.
Sniper!
Sniper. That is the man. That is the man. That is the man.
Sniper! Cool, man, cool, man.
Thank you, Sniper.
Thank you, my brother. Cheers. Away. Since I always spend my days in the house, making money Forex market, trading Forex, with my team, I'm very busy for sure, but sometimes, I feel like I want to be around the people, just to be in a public with everyone, just to keep my cycle small, something like that. What's up, yo? Welcome to my day in life. Today is Sunday. I just want to pull up to the beach and see how the day goes. I'm in Sea Point right now, so please let's take a walk together all the way to the beach. I hope you're also having a good time from wherever you are. So from here, I just gonna go grab some drinks, something that I can drink at the beach, So let's go. What should I get you? What should I get you? What? What should I get you? Yeah. What is it? What is it? What is it? Which one? This one? No. Which one? Is a Red Bull.
Where have you ever seen a Red Bull in the air?
Hey, wait.
Like in the air.
Where?
This is for the Jakarta.
This one. This one down. And this one. This. Edit sense. Trying to find something to drink. I ended up this one. Taking this one, right?
Let's finish off where they started. Deja vu, you want.
I just want to fetch something to eat real quick.
It's not cold. Can you also? It's nice. Why is it?
YouTube channel.
You guys are about on YouTube, right? You don't mind?
YouTube channel, TikTok channel, all the fucking channel.
Tell them you must subscribe, yeah?
Yes.
Subscribe. Tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yo guys, we just having a good time, man. It's the summertime now. It's very hot out there. How many minutes can you swim under the water? How many minutes can you stay under the water?
30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Yes, take a photo.
Huh?
Can I come up? Come here. 30 seconds. Take a photo.
Yeah, I will take a photo.
Boss, take a photo. Boss.
I will.
Yeah, then send it to me.
Oh my God. This guy, somebody can die. Huh? I'll take a photo for you. Try. I'll take a photo for you. What's your name? Etienne. How long have you been swimming here? How many? How many minutes? 30 minutes, 40 minutes?
2 hours.
2 hours.
4 hours. 4 hours.
How was your day today?
Mine was alright.
Your, my day was good, bro. You can still having a good time, right?
Your YouTube channel.
Yeah, this is for YouTube, my brother. This is for YouTube. We're just vlogging, right?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, so
You're gonna take us to YouTube, no?
you wanna be on YouTube, bro?
Yes.
Do you wanna open your YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Huh? In my phone? You don't have a phone?
Take a pizza. Go down in the water. Only videos. You're on YouTube, no?
Yeah, we're on YouTube right now.
What is your name on YouTube?
FX Juba Snipe.
Huh?
FX
Juba
Snipe.
Juba Snipe.
Juba Snipe.
Juba Snipe.
G-U-P-A. Alright.
Overal bisa blijven en so forth.
Alright, so you guys want the pictures, right?
Yes.
Cool. I'm gonna take your pictures.
iPhone.
She wanna be on iPhone, right? She wanna be on iPhone, right? Alright, who else? Okay. Okay. Alright, who else? And you? Alright.
You can send it for me.
I'm gonna send you guys now. Why are you running away? You don't wanna be on YouTube. You don't wanna be on YouTube. Tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe our video.
And like the video. Alright. So put your number and then I'm gonna send you everything right now. Do you want a peaches? What? Do you wanna swim?
Nee, oder jump out the boat.
You wanna swim?
As jy by my sa face wala, jy pa my gekeer, né?
You wanna jump to the water again?
No, foto.
Ah.
Foto.
Oh.
If you famous.
Oh, right. So.
Maar alles moet anders man. Boos en al.
Okay.
Ja.
Okay. You done, right? You want a picture, right?
Jy's famous.
Did you put the name?
Anika.
Okay, put the name, and then I'm gonna send you the pictures.
Kom man.
Oh, you already put the name.
Ek soek hier, no man nie. Wat dit die foto hier?
Can I go through the pictures, please?
Okay. Let's check.
Nee, se mal. Wat? Kyk hier, jelly hy. Dan. Wat die foto hier? Boos en al. Boos en al. Someone there must take it man. Okay, one here. One close. Yeah, colored boy everywhere. Yes, yeah. Was is hier by die beach, yeah. Was is hier? Ek is hier. Saam met hom. My brother.
Tell them English.
If you famous one day, no, don't forget me, no.
I'll never
Please.
forget you.
If you forget me, I will come and move you. I promise you, brother. I promise you.
I will never forget you, my brother.
And I swam you in the push. I swam. I'm the best swimmer in the world. I'm the best. I'm a shark in the water. I'm a shark.
Away.
Oscar, you can even come and run in the water. I will swim you past.
Cool. Okay.
Salute.
Wish me my day, my brother.
Salute. Thank you for the best day ever. Best day ever.
Enjoy your day too, man.
That is the demon. The demon of all demons. You don't know that demon. What the old boy? Sniper.
Sniper!
That is the man!
Sniper! Cool, man.
Thank you, Sniper.
Thank you, my brother. Cheers. Away. Yo, what up, guys? I'm just done swimming, so yeah, for real, I had a nice day. Nice day. I didn't expect, for sure. I really had a nice day. So you can see, guys, I'm still wet. You know what I'm saying? I'm still wet. I'm still on my booked. You know what I'm saying? Guys, I had a nice day for sure. So it's time to go home, man. It's time to go home. Happy Sunday to everybody, guys. Tomorrow, Monday, you know what I'm saying? You guys must know, you know what I'm saying? It's time to work. It's time to work from tomorrow, Monday. You know what I'm saying? Let's go to the market. Let's kill the market next week. And Saturday, we out. You know what I'm saying? Make sure lock in. Make sure you keep focus. You know what I'm saying? Make sure keep focus. You know, we only have 2 days in a week just to have fun and just to have some hair fresh outside. You know what I'm saying? But starting from tomorrow, guys, we lock in and we got 2 main opportunities. If you are not in a team, make sure you join the team. Make sure you join the free Telegram group. We're going to be killing the market starting from next week.
No,